Hi, I'm Catherine Fulford with the University of Hawaii at Manoa. I'm in the Department of Educational Technology, and I would say my favorite tip for technology is a picture is worth 1,000 words. I teach a visual design class, and one of the examples that I really enjoy doing is taking one of the older travel magazines and one of the newer ones to show the difference between words. And I actually have students draw what a set of words mean. And then, of course, at the end of that, I show them the picture and see how accurate their own minds were with seeing the place in the picture. And so it's really interesting to see how different it is and how much a visual can tell you. Sometimes I think visuals can be distracting, so choosing exactly the one that matches the word and doesn't interfere is really critical. One of the nice things today is that, there's a lot of clip art out there, but a lot of times it doesn't really match very well. And these days we have the ability to actually go out and make photographs that match very perfectly with the words that we're using. So over the years I've really gone from using clip art that's cutesy but doesn't match real well the whole theme to really trying to find good photographs that express what it is that I'm trying to say. There's a lot about photography though that people need to learn, so it's not a matter of just pointing the camera in the correct direction. One of my favorite sites that you can learn a tremendous amount is the Kodak website. They have a lot of different tutorials on teaching people to use pictures. When I was a little girl, my dad was a photographer, and rather than trying to sort of teach me himself, he gave me a little Kodak booklet, and I've always taken that set of principles, and they've been really important. So I would recommend that you go out on the website and just get some of those basic principles for using photographs and how to photograph things successfully. And then one of the most wonderful things about modern technology is we now have the ability to take lots of photographs. And every photographer that I've ever been mentored by, that is the key word, take lots of photographs. Why do you think you can see the National Geographic photographs? Is because not they take one, they take 20 or 30 and then they choose the best picture. If you only take one or two, you're just not going to get a lot of good pictures. And practice makes perfect, so going out and shooting a lot of things, trying different things, turning the camera at different angles, shooting from high, shooting from low, really is going to make a difference. And the more that you practice and the more that you train your eye, the better your photographs are going to be. And photographic montages, really with a few words, can say so much. They tell a really nice story. So that's what I would think about when I think about using technology, as a picture's worth 1,000 words.